What's up, Tech Vibe fam? Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated camera launches of the next year, the rumored Nikon Z8 II. If you're a hybrid shooter, filmmaker, or a pro-level photographer, trust me, you don't want to miss this. Stick around till the end because we're covering every rumored spec, expected price, release window, and whether it's worth the wait. Imagine all the power of a flagship camera, but in a body that's a little easier to handle, more versatile, and future-proof. That's exactly what Nikon might be bringing with the Z8 II. First up, sensor and performance. Word on the street is that the Z8 II could feature a fast stacked full-frame sensor, improving readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter, and delivering outstanding dynamic range and low-light performance. Pair that with a next-gen processor, and you could see cleaner images, better color accuracy, and lightning-fast handling. Autofocus might be another huge leap forward. Reports suggest Nikon could deliver significantly refined autofocus, with eye face and subject detection, plus improved tracking for wildlife, sports, and fast-moving subjects. This means fewer missed shots, smoother video autofocus, and reliability whether you're shooting portraits, action, or events. Video is also expected to be a major highlight. Imagine high-resolution 8K video, improved frame rates, and better oversampling for sharper cinematic detail. Think 8K 60p or ultra-high-quality 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion in a body that's more manageable than a massive flagship. For content creators, this could be a dream come true. Then there's ergonomics and hybrid versatility. The predecessor to this model is already praised for balancing high-end sensor and processing power in a compact, user-friendly body. If Nikon Z8 II stays true to that design philosophy, you could have flagship-level performance in a camera that's easier to carry, shoot handheld, or mount on a gimbal, ideal for photographers and videographers alike. Now, let's talk about the big questions: when and how much? Currently, there is no official announcement from Nikon about the Z8 II. Some industry watchers expect it could appear as early as late next year or maybe early the following year. As for pricing, most expect Nikon to position it slightly below the absolute flagship line, high enough to reflect serious performance, but not out of reach for full-time creators and professionals. Here's the question many of you are secretly asking right now: should you wait for Z8 II, or grab an existing high-end Z-series body now? The truth is, if you need a camera today for shoots, content, events, or travel, the current Z-series models are already powerhouses with proven reliability and top-tier image quality. But if you're building a long-term toolkit, want cutting-edge video and autofocus, or plan to go heavy on hybrid photo-video work, waiting for Z8 II could pay off. Of course, everything we've discussed is based on leaks and rumors. Until Nikon officially confirms specs, video capabilities, release date, and pricing, treat this as potential features rather than guarantees. But based on what we know, the Z8 II has the potential to excite creators who demand professional-grade performance without the bulk of a full flagship body. So here's the question for you. I want you to answer in the comments. If Nikon Z8 II launches with stacked sensor, improved autofocus, cinematic video, and a slightly lighter body, would you wait for it, or go for an existing high-end camera now to start shooting? Let me know, and while you're at it, smash that like button if you're excited about the Z8 II. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Vibe for more deep dives, rumors, and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.